This is James with Arrow, and we're in Bucyrus, Kansas, just outside of Stillwell. This is a project in which we replace some fascia and batten board with LP prime. And I'll take you behind the house where the project got started. This is an angle of the back of the home in which we replaced the fascia and batten boards with LP primed. And we installed 42 linear feet of LP primed fascia, which is 8-inch, and 4-inch of LP primed batten. We replaced the fascia at the top of the garage and also the batten and the fascia at the top of the garage. Would like to thank you for watching this video. If you need any home improvement, whether it's exterior or interior, please give Arrow a call, 913-703-3000. Thank you.